Family Farms. What is this?
Yeah. Don't know.
It's like milk, isn't it?
Yes.
Milk
Almond.
is almond. There's no water to wash that. Imagine, look how much lettuce I have. There is no lettuce in my burger. Thank you.
Welcome. Finish water? Finish water?
Oh, you're cold?
Sun hot.
The sun is not hot, then the plants won't come. What are those?
Lettuce.
No. Those are cabbage.
Cabbage.
You can't get any. Sun is hot. Very, very hot. Extremely hot.
What is that?
Where?
The bamboo.
Oh. It's a yam.
Yam?
A yam hill.
Oh.
So the vine will run upon the bamboo. That's good food.
This? Tomato.
What? That's pak choy.
Pak choy. Yes.
I'm gonna get some water to water the pak choy.
He drank it all. He drank it all.
Have you ever been to that river?
Yes. When I was smaller. Remember? And there was a big hole. And fish.
A big fish
And fish.
in this river?
Yes.
So these are pak choy seedlings. And some sweet peppers are in there as well. But the sweet peppers take a longer time to germinate than the pak choy. Pak choy is germinate within about 3 days, 3 to 4 days. And the sweet peppers germinate, take about 7-8 days to germinate. So they should start germinating within this week. because they were planted last week. But then we eat a lot of pak choys, so we need to plant a lot of pak choys. Yep. These are red peppers. Not so sure what I'm gonna do with them because I'm not gonna be planting them. Why did I show them? I don't know. Guess I just love to plant. And so the lettuce are old now. Grown out. They are now seeded. Cabbages are folding. Yeah. So we'll soon have a lot of cabbage to eat. More than we can eat. So that all cabbages that I eat. I'm not seeing any major issues with worm, but this one is gone. That's worm. But majority of them are doing well. This is a very nice head of cabbage. Real nice head. That is ready. So the leaves start getting yellow. That's ready. So this row, you can find food in it. So they are coming up. Here's another one with worm. But that's just one or two. That's worm because we don't use a lot of chemicals. So real chocolate.
감사합니다.
What?
Thank you.
Kamsawasta.
감사합니다.
Alright, well this is real chocolate. Not the one that you get on the shelf. Real chocolate. And that's a chocolate tree. For those who don't know chocolate trees. That's the beauty of living in the country. You pick your food right from the tree. Yeah.
Who eats chocolate like that?
I do. Chocolate.
Chocolate.
Cocoa. Chocolate. You know what this is?
Tomatoes.
No, Bobby. This is tomato.
Oh,
That's cucumber.
cucumbers.
Wow. I don't even know how these seeds reach inside here. But these are tomato suckers. Probably his grandma threw a tomato inside there. And they germinated. And within a couple of weeks, these will be converted to food. As simple as that. Just like that. So these are the young tomato seedlings. Look at this. This cucumber.
Cucumber.
Cucumber. You must know what this is. What is this?
Sorrel.
Oh yes. Finally. We got something.
Anya.
And you know what's in those boxes?
Bees.
Okay. And you know what this is? Ruby? What's that? Wow, this is sad. That's guava.
Guava.
Hurry up. Oh, it has one. It has another one.
Mango?
First it's bearing. Yeah. There's another one there. First it's bearing. First, very, very first time. Looks like a number 11. Oh, see another one there. First it's bearing. And it has 3. One for me and one for
Mom.
I don't know. We're almost at the American apple. The melons over there. You know what this is though?
Papaya.
Oh yes, man, you're getting it. You're learning. You are a fast learner. You are a fast learner. And you know what these are?
Raspberry.
Yeah, raspberry. And you know what these are?
Pine.
Pineapple.
Apple. Find the apple. Find the apple.
And you know what these are?
Corn.
But I'm sure you don't know what this is.
Apple.
This is kiwi.
Kiwi.
Kiwi. And you know what this is? No, not this. That's panel. This is American apple.
American, yeah.
I don't remember the variety. This is another one. This one is struggling. I don't know why. It's sprouting so many different. This is another one. This is American apple. It's growing. Hey, Lewis Family Farms. This is another one. This one got burnt, but it's still thriving.
Driving
And this
for.
is my big baby, American apple, and this is Gala.
Gala.
Gala, I think. Yeah. So those are my American apples. And corn. Corn looking good. Ready to eat. Blessings. Oh. There's only so many hours in a day.